welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Kacey Musgraves' Dry Spell. This is a very odd experience of grocery shopping. If you watch the music video, you know what I mean. Let's go into the song. Cape on fourth, absolute best scenario. With that, we have a couple of chords to go over. Let's start with the E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We play next C, third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. G, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have D, open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the B7 of this version. Second A, first D, second G, open B, and second E. String pattern, very simple. If you grab the first chord E minor, it's down, up, down, up. Try to get the second down all the way down here on the higher string, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so what you're going to do here now is to play E minor 4, C4, G4, then D2, and B7 2. B7, 2. You're going to play that B7. You can try, if you can, to get the first bass note, which is the first fret D string in the first round. And the second time you play the B7, try to get the second fret A string as the bass note. That's just some detail. You can also replace this with the melody, which is also played in the song. So when you come to the D, B7, and then comes the melody in the second round of B7, and then it just continues in the same way. The notes are second fret A, first D, back to second A, and open G. And then you just play that very same chord progression of strumming from the beginning till the end. That is how I played Dry Spell from Kacey Musgraves. See you soon, guys. Play tuned.